Welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit Coinbase Watchlist. Editing your Coinbase Watchlist involves adding, removing, or rearranging the cryptocurrencies you want to track. So here is how you can do it. First of all, sign into your Coinbase account. Open up a web browser and then type in coinbase.com in the URL box. Make sure you are signed into your account by entering your login credentials and you will end up in this main homepage. Now in the main homepage under Prices, you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you've added on your watch list. In order to find any other cryptocurrency you want to add to the watch list, go ahead and click on the search box at the top and select one of the cryptocurrencies you would like to add to your watch list. Here I'm going to select BNB. Simply click on it and you will come across this BNB page. Here I'm going to select Tether. So once you click on it, you will be taken to this overview page of the chosen coin. To add the coin to your watch list, click on Add to Watch List at the top right corner. Now, get back to the home page and you will be able to see the selected coin to your watch list. To remove a cryptocurrency from your watch list, go ahead and search for the same coin again. For example, since I just added Tether, let me click on Tether over here. And if you want to remove it from your watch list, simply unclick the star-like icon, just like that. And if you go back to your home page, you will be able to see that the Tether coin is no longer visible on the screen. Now another thing you can do is to rearrange the cryptocurrencies from your watch list. To do so, go ahead and get to this hamburger menu right next to the cryptocurrency and simply click on it and drag it along the way and place it on your desired location. That way, you will be able to arrange your watch list in your desired order. So those were some of the steps how you can edit your Coinbase watch list. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.